Xiaomi officially released its newest tablet, the Xiaomi Pad 5, in Indonesia at a virtual launch event last week. The successor to Mi Pad 4 is sold for 5 million rupiah and will be available starting September 28 at 12 Western Time on Mi.com and other official Xiaomi stores, both offline and online. Xiaomi has released Xiaomi Pad 5, Dolby Vision-Atmos, and the new Mi logo on the Xiaomi Pad 5 packaging box. In addition, users will also get a USB-A to USB-C type data cable, a charger with a 22.5-watt power output, a manual, and a warranty card. This means that users will not get companion accessories such as jelly cases to protect the tablet from any means, earphones, Xiaomi Keyboard, or Xiaomi Smart Pen stylus. Xiaomi said the accessories such as the Smart Pen and Xiaomi Keyboard for the Xiaomi Pad 5 will be sold separately, but the availability and the prices for these products have not been revealed. In Indonesia, the Xiaomi Pad 5 comes in cosmic gray and pearl white color variant. Xiaomi Pad 5 adopts an 11-inch IPS LCD panel with WQHD+ resolutions. The screen also carries a bezel-less design and supports a 120Hz refresh rate with a pixel density of 275 ppi. Dolby Vision, HDR10, True Display technology, and a brightness level up to 650 nits. The performance of this tablet is also powered by Snapdragon 860 chip with speeds up to 2.96 GHz. With the Adreno 640 graphics processor, combined with 6 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal memory.